Hola. Found a local guide here. Yeah.
Arriba, montaña Machu Picchu, 3.800, cerca 4.000 metros sobre el nivel del mar. Ahí Machu Picchu. ¿Ves?
Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
Oh.
Y él dice Cuchi Picchu y él dice Huayna Picchu.
Huayna Picchu.
Yes. What's your name?
G.
J. Fidel.
Fidel.
Bye.
Yeah. Gracias.
Hola.
Hola. I just want to take the time to appreciate and enjoy this view. This town, Aguas Calientes, is the base if you want to go to Machu Picchu. From here you can catch a bus, it's about 25 minutes, or you can just walk uphill. It's a big incline, a few hundred meters I would say, and it's probably going to take you about 3 hours to walk up. Bucket list, man. It's done. Congratulations, man. And hold on, I gotta give credit to JC. Man, it's an awesome guide, man.
Made it.
Yeah, it's been great. And when you're up there, you look down to this Machu Picchu. It doesn't look that big, but when you come down here, it's massive. So many rooms, so many different areas. And if you're coming here, I highly recommend you to come with a guide. Circle 2 is the highly recommended one because of the viewpoints. And this is circuit 2, so you got to climb up. There's a couple of viewpoints that you can take photos. We're probably on the 3rd upper level, and the best spot I found will be like in a corner like that, like corner that way, because you can get the clear view of this majestic Machu Picchu. So it's all one way, so it's like flowing freely one way, so which is also good. Just keep the traffic flowing. Exit the end of our trip. So if you're coming here, get ready to walk because there's so many steps, man. Gracias, gracias. Machu Picchu?